Welcome to our phpFox tutorial about blocks. What is a block? Blocks are containers on your site that have content, HTML code, or information. A few examples of blocks are the feed, announcements, or even the friends online. To manage your blocks, log in to AdminCP. Click Blocks. To add a block, click Add Block on the top right. In the pop-up, add a title for the block. This is what you will see when managing the blocks. Your users won't see it. Select the type of block this is: HTML code, PHP code, PHP block for default phpFox blocks, apps blocks, and module blocks. Select the controller. A controller is basically the page of the site that you want this to show on. For example, core.indexMember is the member homepage, or blog.index would be the main page of the blog section. An index page is normally the very first page you see when going to an area, such as blogs, pages, marketplace, etc. Component will only show if you've chosen PHP block as your choice, as this is to tell the script where this block is coded, what module this was made for, or what app it was made for. It will correspond with the folder on the server that you loaded your files to or that the default features came with. For example, if you want to make a block to show featured photos, and we already have that available as a default block, you just need to enable it. You would click Component and scroll down to the Photo section in the list and click the featured one. Placement is where, on the page, you want to show this block. There are defined block positions for each theme. You can click beneath the Placement drop-down to view sample layout for that theme. PHP HTML code will only show if you choose for the type option either PHP code or HTML code block. Click Submit when done and clear cache after. If you don't clear cache, the block won't show up. To edit a block, in AdminCP, click Blocks. You will now see a listing of all the block controllers in a menu to the left. The core.indexMember controller is selected by default. Click the controller your block is on to open the block listing to the right. To arrange the blocks, click the drag symbol to the left of the block name and drag it up or down. You will see a spinning icon in the bottom right once you finish moving the block. This shows that it is saving the position. Clear cache or the changes won't show. Click the edit arrow to the left of the block to edit it, or click delete to delete it. Note that it is not a good idea to delete default blocks. We'll show you how to disable blocks later in the video. Once you click the edit arrow, you'll see a pop-up and can change things as shown in the step for creating blocks. Be sure to clear cache after you're done. To enable or disable blocks, click the Disable or Deactivate icon to the far right of the block that you want to disable, and it will change to gray for disabled. It is best not to delete default blocks and to disable them instead. You can enable or activate a block by clicking the gray icon and it will turn to red for enabled. Clear cache when done. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Thanks for subscribing to our YouTube channel.